Sperling, and I wanted to show you a really simple method I discovered for creating snow in Corel Painter. This is a backdrop I created based on a painting from the 1800s as part of my new collection of backdrops in JPEG format, readable by Painter and Photoshop, and available at my artistry website. And now here are the steps for adding snow to a painting in Corel Painter. Choose the Chalk's Sharp Chalk. Click Reset in the property bar to return the brush to its original settings. Next, practice making a stroke that you'll use for snow. Choose an off-white in the color panel. The color doesn't have to be perfect because you can change it later. Adjust the size slider in the property bar to get a good size snowflake. I had a big brush setting because this was a high-res image. Now that you have your snowflake, you'll record it. You can press Command on Mac, Control on Windows, and type a Z to undo the stroke. Choose Window, Photo Art Panels, Auto Painting. The Auto Painting panel appears. Click the triangle next to the Stroke menu. Choose Record Stroke. Paint a snowflake. Click the triangle next to the Stroke menu again and click Save Stroke. Type in the name in the dialog box that appears. I called it Snow. Click OK. Now you'll paint with your snow. With snow chosen in the Stroke menu in the Auto Painting panel, click the play triangle. It's snowing. To stop the snow, click the square or anywhere in the image. You can undo if you don't like the result and try again. Also, you can choose different colors in the color panel and sizes and opacities in the property bar and run auto painting again for a varied result. And that's how I painted snow in Corel Painter. For more tutorials, backdrops, custom brushes, and ebooks, visit artistrymag.com. Happy painting!